Now that we've covered the essentials of CGT clearance certificates and the property market value criteria, let's walk through the step-by-step process of applying for a certificate on cgtclearance.com.au. Begin by visiting cgtclearance.com.au. Here you'll find clear navigation options. Click here to obtain your certificate to start your application. The earlier you apply for your certificate, the better, as the ATO cannot guarantee that your certificate will be processed by the settlement date. The application form is your next step. You'll need to provide various details such as your tax file number, property details, and confirmation of your residency status. Ensure every piece of information is accurate to prevent any processing delays. After filling out the necessary information, submit your application. While the processing time is generally 1 to 2 business days, it can take up to 28 days depending on the details of your application. Once your application is processed and approved, you'll receive your CGT clearance certificate electronically. Ensure you share this with your buyer or their legal representative to finalise the sale without any CGT withholding complications. While the process is straightforward, attention to detail is key. Double-checking your application for accuracy and completeness can save you from unnecessary delays or issues. Armed with this knowledge and your CGT clearance certificate, you're set for a smoother and more informed property transaction process. For more details, or if you encounter any challenges, the website offers resources and contact information for additional support. Thank you for watching. For more detailed guides and property transaction advice, subscribe to our channel and visit cgtclearance.com.au.